Hello and welcome to this quick tips video, which is about the on-screen keyboard. So if you're ever in a position where you don't have a keyboard you can play on, or you might be out and about with a laptop or just have a broken keyboard, etc., there is an alternative in Cubase. So it's the on-screen keyboard. You can see it's on screen at the moment. It's summoned with Alt-K and got rid of with Alt-K as well. And you'll definitely want to know how to get rid of it because it sabotages most of the keyboard shortcuts. So you'll find yourself doing things where you go, I'm going to press a certain key on the keyboard, and then you'll see that the on-screen keyboard filtered this key command. You'll see that quite a lot initially. So first things first, know how to get rid of it. It allows you to play the keys on your QWERTY keyboard as if you are playing a MIDI keyboard, and it actually generates MIDI that you can record. So here, if I press Q, E, and T, I get a C major chord, W, R, and Y, E, T, and U, etc. You get that kind of thing. You can change octave with the cursor keys moving left and right, so from very low up to really high, and everywhere in between. And in fact, you can learn to play it fairly well. It can be quite useful. There's more to it than that, though. You can control the velocity by controlling this slider here. So you click that. So if we're at really low velocity, we would get a low velocity sound. Now, this isn't a velocity sensitive sound, but trust me, if this changes, you will hear that in the sound. The reason I picked this sound is for the next mode. So this is one mode of the keyboard. The other mode you can get pitch bend and modulation generated. So you need to click this little button here, and then you go into keyboard mode. Now, you can't get modulation and pitch bend while you are playing the key. So you can still play the keyboard in the way we just were, but it doesn't work for modulation and pitch bend. So here's the indicator of modulation, pitch bend, but it's not actually doing anything. So if you play a note and you drag this around, nothing happens with either of these. What you have to do is click and hold on a note and wait till you change to the X, as you can see there. And now, if I move up, we get modulation. And if I move left to right, we get pitch bend. And all of that can be recorded just like a normal MIDI keyboard. So you can see the pitch bend in the track above. And you can also see the modulation as that gets generated and fades out, etc. So there you go. The on-screen keyboard, useful if you're in a pinch, probably not going to be great for stage use, but you never know. As ever, hope you found this useful. And if you have, please like and subscribe. And we'll see you again soon for more Music Tech Tuition.